Hi everyone and good day. I'm Abigail Cano from 11 Humes Million Daga. For today's video, let's discuss about multimedia and benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. So, what is multimedia? Multimedia, combination of text, animated graphics, video, and sound delivered to you via electronic means. It is what appeals to users for entertainment, learning, and research. Primary characteristics of a multimedia system is the use of more than one kind of medium to deliver content and functionality. Multimedia has five elements, that is text, graphics or image, audio or sound, animation, and video. Multimedia elements in dynamics, video, animation, and audio. In static elements, text and graphics. So let's discuss the benefit of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Multimedia is the heart of every presentation, website, and online interface in the context of 21st century. It triggers the different senses to function well and catches the attention of the user, which aims to satisfy the audience through the use of different multimedia content like text, music, photos or images, interactive content, animation, and videos. By knowing the connection of multimedia and ICT, you can easily assist the determine which content of each online application. And as future developer of a multimedia application, this will give you the right insight on how to create meaningful content. Multimedia uses multiple formats to convey information. When used as active learning tools, students will be more motivated to learn more through audio, visual, and animation support. The benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. ICT can affect the delivery of education and enables wider access to the same. Multimedia helps to make rich and useful online content in various formats, enhance the modes of communication, spread awareness of the social impact of the technology change in education. ICT enables economic growth by broadening the reach of technologies. Multimedia can serve to shape the social context in which literary work can be explored or experienced by others. Ease of access to information. It promotes change to education in 21st century. In terms of multimedia, many of the 21st century learners know how to make an online content in different formats such as video, image, text, presentation, and more. Video clip is one of the best formats to show, teach, and visualize information, and most of the learners are getting used to it because of the situation we are right now. Knowing the role of multimedia and ICT, it can help us to improve our online content to be more appealing and useful to the audience. Five benefits of multimedia learning. Deeper understanding. According to the research, a benefit of multimedia learning is that it takes advantage of the brain's ability to make connections between verbal and visual presentation of content, leading to a deeper understanding, which in turn supports the transfers of learning to others' situation. All of this is important in today's 21st century classrooms as we are preparing students for our future where higher level thinking, problem solving, and collaborative skills will be required. Second, improve problem solving. A large percentage of the human brain dedicates itself to visual processing, thus using images, video, and animations alongside a text stimulates the brain. Student attention and retention increase under these circumstances in a multimedia learning Using multimedia during instruction impacts students' mood during the learning process. With a positive attitude, they learn better and tend to be more proactive. Fourth, access to a vast variety of information. With computers, tablets, smartphones, and the internet, students are today better equipped than ever to search and find the information they need. A study revealed that 95% of students who have access to internet use it to search for online information, sharing the information, and participating in class discussions is done in a more confident way when access to information is as easy as today. Fifth, world exploration. There is no surprise here. With the help of multimedia, children can explore and learn about places they would never been to. In a geography class, students can explore different cities of the world, the tallest mountain, and the most dangerous jungles. In a science class, space and planet exploration is now possible. In a biology class, the dissection of rare animals and different habitats exploration are like a walk in a park of student benefiting of a multimedia learning environment. So guys, thank you for watch this a short video. I hope you would like, and it's always